Hey guys, Jeff at Auto Sauce. Today we're going to clean and condition some leather interior. And do I have a perfect specimen for us today? I got white leather interior on the inside of this Tesla Model 3. It's perfect if you have kids. So let's get to it. We're going to clean and condition. Clean with our Nana's Leather Cleaner and condition with our Nana's Leather Marinade. I like to use our apple spice microfiber. It's available in our store. So, well, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, here's our nice white leather seat. If you zoom in there, it looks fairly clean, but you can see, yeah, there's a couple little spots there. It's all right. We'll get that all cleaned up and conditioned. All right, I'll show you guys how it's done. We're gonna spray the seat down. I'm gonna use my hands and kind of massage it into the seat a little bit, try to build up and get the dirt easier to come out. We're gonna do the little microfiber test. I grabbed a freshie here, so just sit back and watch. Spray it down, and then I'm just gonna take my hand, just kind of work it into the material a little bit. Getting all the cracks up here, the side bolsters, headrest. Now this isn't too bad right now. If it was a little bit older seat or a little bit dirtier condition, you can use a brush, kind of one of our little detailing brushes, and get it in there really good. So I've got it all kind of massaged in. Got my freshie here, and let's see how bad it really was. I'll start at the top and work my way down. Get some of that extra stubborn dirt out of there, out of those little cracks and stuff. This thing's pretty damn clean. Darn clean. So yeah. That's that. I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, here's our seat, all nice and clean, ready to be conditioned. So you can see those marks are gone. All right, so now we got a clean seat. Our microfiber doesn't show it being too bad in the first place, but now we're gonna get it conditioned. I'm gonna use the same towel that I used to clean. I'm just gonna pour and fold this in another half. It's easier to control that way. And I'm just gonna, almost like putting ketchup on a hot dog, put that there, and then I'm gonna smush it all together, kind of rub it in. Now I've got it kind of evenly distributed on my towel, and I'm just gonna rub in all down the seat, down the bolsters, down the centers. A little bit of this does go a long way. Give it a couple more shots here. Once again, when I reload, I'm gonna mush that all together. Do it on the bottom here. And as you can see, it doesn't leave like a shiny finish. You're not gonna hop in this seat and it's gonna be so slick that you slide over to the other side. It is a natural, just clean, conditioned seat. And that's it. It's conditioned, it's ready to go. Sit on down. All right. So there you have it, guys. Nana's Leather Cleaner saves the day and gets that white leather all nice and clean again. We followed it up with Nana's Leather Marinade. Head on over to our website at autosauce.net and pick up some Nana's Leather Cleaner and Nana's Leather Marinade. And while you're there, pick up some microfibers, maybe pick up some glass cleaner or some other stuff as well. So just remember, just go and get sauced at autosauce.net. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.